What's up, it's John here, and today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different, but also a necessary component of the restless riches of life, and that is health and fitness. Now, going to a gym with a HIIT class is fantastic, but sometimes you can't go to a gym. Weather's no good, long commute, you're traveling, or otherwise don't have access. Then it's necessary to have the knowledge and the know-how to get an effective workout in. Being stuck inside for the majority of the time, like we have been lately, makes it that much harder to be active. This workout will get the whole body active and can even be done in an apartment without bothering your neighbors below you like a set of jumping jacks would. The exercises are squats, push-ups, scissor kicks, tricep dips, toe touches, mountain climbers, and for extra credit, a max plank hold. Each exercise will be 45 seconds followed by a 15-second rest period. I will now go over each exercise in detail, followed by the workout. Squats are a leg exercise that activates your leg muscles, including quads, hamstrings, and calves. It creates an anabolic environment which promotes whole body muscle building and fat burning. It is actually recommended by experts that doing squats daily improves mental awareness and keeps you in better overall shape. You know what they say, 50 squats a day keeps the doctor away. There are many variations of squats that we will get to in the future, including jump squats and pistol squats, but today we will stick to the standard squat. If you have never done a squat before, you can practice with a chair and hover to just above it on the way down, and you'll always have that chair there for support. It is very important not to extend your knees too far in front of your toes. On the way up, you can push outward with your knees and thighs. Your toes should be pointing slightly outward as well. Benefits of squats are stronger joints, improving other aspects of fitness such as running and jumping. You can do them anywhere. It strengthens your core. There are many variations to improve muscle confusion, and they help shape your glute and legs. Next, push-ups are a whole body pushing exercise that effectively stretches your bicep and back muscles, burns fat, increases muscle definition, promotes HGH production, improves posture, prevents lower back injuries, and of course doesn't need equipment. And with all those benefits, it's no surprise that push-ups are the quintessential exercise. Options include knee push-ups for those that cannot accommodate the full push-up form, and diamond push-ups. They hit a different angle for a challenge, as well as getting your triceps more involved. After push-ups, we have scissor kicks, which really attack your core area, hips, and thighs. They're a great calorie burner, lower body toner, ab sculptor, and fat burner. Scissor kicks reduce back pain and improve posture. They increase flexibility and improve endurance. You can control the intensity of the exercise by varying the length of your scissor kicks and your hand placement. After that, we have tricep dips, another great push exercise that builds muscle in your upper body, including chest and shoulders. This exercise can be difficult for many of you, so remember, instead of doing the full dips, you can just hold the position, or if you do dip, just do a slight dip. Try and keep your body as straight as possible. I like to think of this as an upside down push-up, so imagine your body being flexed in almost the same position, just reversed. Toe touches help stretch your hamstring, back, and obliques. If your flexibility is not there, you can reach towards the same foot corresponding to your hand. To really get a good stretch, activate your muscles, and get your blood pumping, you should reach to the opposite hand foot. Next on the list are mountain climbers, which are great to get your body temperature up, improve flexibility, and increase coordination and rhythm. It is low impact and helps stabilize your body and balance. It makes you stronger, strengthens your core, develops your abs, and burns fat. To finish, for extra credit, is the plank, and this you can hold for as long as you possibly can. Plank position is beneficial because it works out your whole body. It helps with posture, flexibility, and increases metabolism. One overlooked aspect of the plank position is that it gives you a chance to work on your mental state. What will you focus on while planking? Some people can't get away from the intense feeling on their body, while others will instead focus on important things that need to be accomplished in their lives. What will you think about when holding your plank? Let me know in the comments below. When we get to the part of the video for max plank, it will fade to black except for the timer, so that you can visualize on your goal for the day and use that to motivate your plank and hold it for as long as you possibly can. If you feel tired or uncomfortable, you can stop at any time to rest. If the workout is too fast or too slow, you can set the playback of the video slower or faster to adjust to your preferences. Remember, for most exercises, there are options that you can choose from. Choose whichever you feel most comfortable doing. With that being said, let's get to it. Congratulations, that finishes the first round. If you have enough energy, you can rewind this video and try another round, and even try a third round after that if you're up for it. Before we go, if you are still holding that plank all this time, you can rest now. Thank you very much for being part of this first home workout. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. I know it's different than what we've been doing. So do you like it? Do you want to see other exercises, other workouts? Definitely let me know. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this a like if you found value in this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.